Hi everybody, welcome to the barn edition of Alan. This could turn into a weekly series with this man about.
It could be.
Especially
me fixing stuff that other people break or
you
fixing
broke
stuff
this, you broke this.
I didn't
Anyway,
break it.
bottom line, going to get straight into it. We went to the JF Centre, we brought up an 1100. We run it, you've seen the video, most of you at this stage. Here's a little bit of unedited footage of the harvester running, and to be honest with you, it's doing everything it was meant to do. This is unedited, it's just rough and ready. Watch the flow, listen to the tractor, looks beautiful, and then, we had a few issues. Alan, what happened on our first day out with the 1100?
You want like from the beginning, like or just this?
No, but like what really happened? And we'll try and get the camera in round here and show the viewers everything.
Well,
So, like, you've opened up at the front here.
yeah, I took the pickup off just to get a bit of space. Bit of an issue here, yeah. About 1:30 in the morning. I decided, I think now, my opinion of it was that this decided to come out of place. And it caught the shear bar. It was in some of these ones on this side. I don't know which one it was, maybe this one here. There's no trace of any of it broken. So I think that one came loose and caught the shear bar and just damaged the shear bar a little bit.
But essentially this is the new drum, and this is what they're talking about, because Alan assured us that it would blow a lot better than a conventional 1100, and one of the main reasons was the holes. You can see the holes in here the whole way through, and it gets more air and more draft in.
That's the plan anyway, yeah.
Is that?
That's what they say.
It did work, Alan. The blow
It did work, yeah. The
phenomenal.
blow was good. The blow was definitely good. It didn't refuse the grass. It did once. It broke a chain on the pickup, but that's not really a serious issue. Like, it's just a chain.
This is here then.
That's the one. You have to take off a chain to let the pickup off. You see.
Yes.
I robbed a bit of chain off the Pottinger that night.
The old
Down in the corner, yeah.
The old Pottinger had to give up a bit of chain.
Bad and all as it is, we donated a bit of chain to the JF cause.
Now, one other slight issue we had, Alan, and we do have to we do have to look at this.
To me, it's a bit of an issue. The drawbar was changed for a pickup hitch, which means you can pick it up with the pickup hitch. That's all well and good, but it leaves that the drawbar is a lot shorter, so it's essentially 12 inches shorter. And
Tire
guard kind of.
Tire guard.
Yeah.
Ratchet strap.
Broken.
We do have a shot of that up. 7, 8, 10. I think it's going to have to go on and on.
Do we have to? Don't look at me like that. Don't look at me like that.
All in all, sum up your day. Looking back with the JF, a few teething problems,
A few teething problems. It blows well.
but you loved it.
I did, yeah. I enjoyed it, yeah.
Favourite bit was the tractor, wasn't it, Alan?
Favourite bit was trying to get the ringing out of my ears for about 2 days. It was good crack.
So look, guys, it's just a little bit of a catch up. It is what happened. We had a couple of chain issues. I suppose the reel just struggled a couple of times, and intake. It maybe wasn't feeding the best that it could feed due to the fact that we couldn't get the pickup down and maybe get the natural flow into the machine better. There was the little catch at the front that was just probably.
Yeah, it was driver error.
I personally would class that as excitement. You know, young boy dreams about getting out onto a machine there. We've been dreaming about
the one
it for
thing
so long.
hang on, I have to defend myself here.
I'm
Come
away.
back now. Come back.
Social distance, you.
Aye, social distance. I'll show you social distance.
You just get a bit excited when you
Me
think,
and Gary spoke about this in the shed before we went out, and we said that's the first thing that's going to happen, and it is the first thing because at the first headland, that's what happened. I looked over at Gary.
I would never have done that.
No.